if you're having an issue with your garbage disposal, there's two things as a homeowner that you can do before calling the professional and might save you some money. First thing you can do is check to see if it's jammed up. And you do that by, at the bottom center of your garbage disposal, you can use an Allen key that I have here. This is 1/4 inch. And you insert it in the bottom of the garbage disposal, and if it feels stuck, it's jammed up. And what you can do is you just wiggle it both ways until you can dislodge it. And if it's just stuck and won't budge, you can look inside the garbage disposal and see if you can see what it is and then pick it out. If that is it's freely moving, it's just not turning on, there's a red reset button on the bottom of the garbage disposal that you can press. If you feel it push in or click, it needs to be reset. Those are the two things that you can do. Outside of that, if you're not willing to replace it yourself, usually you'll just call a plumber. Another thing sometimes people misdiagnose is if the sink is backed up, some people think the garbage disposal is broken. Usually that's a drain issue. There's a clogged drain. The plumber needs to run a snake down. So if the sink is completely backed up, the garbage disposal still turns on and off and kind of slushes the water around. What you usually need to do in that case scenario is just run a snake down the line and dislodge whatever blockage is causing that.